How to transfer money from GCash to PayPal. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, you need to check your PayPal account. When you open your PayPal account, you will notice that the cash in or a load up option is no longer available. The only options you will see now are send and request. Unfortunately, the request option is for requesting money from another person, not for topping up your account. But don't worry, we have a workaround using GCash and PayMaya. Step 2, you can transfer funds from GCash to PayMaya. The first step is to transfer your GCash balance to PayMaya. PayMaya provides a virtual card with important details such as card number, CVV, that is security code, and expiry date. These details are essential for transferring funds to people. Make sure your PayMaya account has at least £100 and after that around $2 to $3 for the virtual card details to be visible. You can find this information under the card section of the PayMaya app. Next, log into your PayPal account and use the request money option. Your active PayPal account email, you'll be requiring an additional email to send the payment request, your PayMaya or virtual card details. Enter the secondary email address where you will send the request. Input the amount and include a short note if you would like to, then hit review and select request now button. Open email tied to your secondary account and look for a message from PayPal with the subject "You have got a money request." Click the Pay Now button in the email. From here, choose the Pay without a PayPal account option. This allows you to pay using your PayMaya virtual card without needing another PayPal account. Next, fill in the required payment details like your card number, expiry date, CVV code, and billing address. For the payments type, select sending to friends or family to avoid additional charges. Once everything is filled in, hit continue to complete the transactions. And that's it. Your funds should now be transferred to PayPal account via PayMaya. This workaround is a reliable way to transfer money from GCash to PayPal since direct options are currently unavailable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more guides like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.